Good morning. So, we are into the day three of the 7 days free meditation and pranayam workshop. And right now, we would be doing many things today. And in that, one of the thing is Yog Nidra, which we would be doing in the ending of the session. And हम आज के सेशन में काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें करेंगे एंड जो हमने पहले भी किया हुआ है उसमें से कुछ करेंगे जो कि आपको डेली करना चाहिए एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट वी वुड बी ऑल्सो डूइंग योग निद्रा एंड एक और चीज़ हम करेंगे जो कि है लाइक कंट्रोलिंग द ब्रीथ जो कि हमने कल कहा था बट वी वर अनेबल टू कवर दैट सो एंड स्टार्टिंग विद द 3 times ओम चैंटिंग शुरू करेंगे हम 3 बार ओम का उच्चारण से एंड देन ग्रेजुअली वी हैव टू लाइक मूव एंड जैसा कि अभी हमने लाइक 5 मिनट्स लेट हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं जैसे कि सभी लोग सेटल हुए एंड ऑल वर ज्वाइनिंग एंड सो वी वुड बी टेकिंग इट 30 मिनट फ्रॉम हियर एंड 8:35 तक हम करेंगे कंटिन्यूसली। अपनी जगह पर बैठ जाएंगे, बॉडी स्ट्रेट रखेंगे। आप पद्मासन या फिर नॉर्मल किसी भी पोजीशन पर बैठ सकते हैं। सुखासन और पद्मासन यू कैन सिट इन एंड यू कैन फोल्ड द लेग इफ यू वांट, अदरवाइज विदाउट फोल्डिंग द लेग आल्सो यू कैन सिट। The position of the hand should be in the Gyan Mudra. Gyan Mudra means index finger and thumbs are touching tip to tip. We are doing this because it is one of the most effective mudra day to day life. आम जीवन में इसका काफ़ी ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल रहता है एंड ज्ञान मुद्रा नाम से ही पता चल रहा है आपका पूरा फोकस एंड कंसंट्रेशन इंक्रीज होगा एंड आप इसी चीज़ में लगे रहेंगे एंड वी हैव टू स्टार्ट विद द 3 times ओम चैंटिंग। ओम चैंटिंग को प्रणव चैंटिंग भी कहते हैं एंड आपको लाइक इन ओम चैंटिंग यू हैव टू लाइक मेंटेन द रेशियो। आप कल हमने उसकी बात नहीं की थी क्योंकि वो स्टार्टिंग था। अभी हम जैसे जैसे ग्रेजुअली इंप्रूव कर रहे हैं हम और भी डिटेल्स में जाएंगे। सो आ से आप स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं देन ओ वाला पार्ट, द ओ पार्ट इज द मैक्सिमम पार्ट एंड द लास्ट पार्ट इज म पार्ट। सो द म पार्ट यू हैव टू लाइक do a bit shorter but longer than the first part, like 3 parts are there, a o ma। so आपको अ वाला पार्ट would be shortest, वो सबसे छोटा रहेगा। the middle part would be the longest one and the last part would be twice of you can say first part, means जो पहला पार्ट है उससे around दुगना रहेगा। so that should be the ratio and the more detail we would be practicing in the next classes। और भी इसे हम डिटेल में देखेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लासेस में। sitting at your place and folding the knees in Padmasan or Sukhasan, body straight, close the eyes, 3 times Om chanting we have to do। deeply inhale, लंबी गहरी सांस, चेहरे पर हल्की सी स्माइल, having a smile on the face, deeply inhale। Once again, once again, गायत्री मंत्र। ओम भूर्भुवस्वः तस्य वितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। महामृत्युंजय मंत्र। ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव वन्दनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। With the closed eyes, focus on your breath, deeply inhaling and exhaling, making the mind completely relaxed। आंखें बंद रखते हुए मन पूरी तरह शांत, पूरा ध्यान सांसों पर। लंबी गहरी सांस, सांस पर सांस की क्रिया, डीपली इनहेलिंग एंड एक्सहेलिंग कंटिन्यूअसली। Yeah, continuously do. Just focus on your breath, how your breath is going inward and how it is coming out. अपनी सांसों पर पूरा ध्यान रखेंगे, कैसे आपकी सांस बॉडी के अंदर जा रही है एंड हाउ इट इज कमिंग आउट. As I said, we would be going into one of the aspect of breath control. So हमें अब धीरे धीरे अपनी सांसों को जितना भी आप स्लो कर सकते हैं, you have to make it slow. Slow means you should not feel that you are breathing that much slow. It should be around 30 to 40 seconds you are taking for just inhaling that. Means आप सिर्फ सांसों को लेने के लिए 30 से 40 सेकंड का समय लगा रहे हैं. इफ़ यू आर अ बिगिनर इनटू दिस, सो आप स्टार्टिंग में सिर्फ 20 सेकंड्स यू कैन गिव इन द स्टार्टिंग 10 to 20 सेकंड एंड ग्रेजुअली इट कैन बी इम्प्रूव टिल 1 minute. मीन्स you have to inhale that much slowly that you on your own self you would be not feeling that you are breathing. Means आपको इतनी धीमी सांस लेनी है कि आपको खुद ना पता चले कि आप सांस ले रहे हैं. एंड द सेम वे यू शुड एक्सेल ऑल्सो इन दैट मैनर. जस्ट इमेजिन दैट हाउ योर लंग्स आर एक्सपैंडिंग कंटिन्यूसली. आपके फेफड़ों में किस तरह सांस बहुत ही धीमी गति से जाती जा रही है, उसे अनुभव करेंगे. You are having the control over your breath, making it slower and slower. सांसों की गति को पूर्ण रूप से आप धीमा करते हुए अपनी सांसों पर ध्यान लगा रहे हैं. You are focusing on your breath, making it slower and slower. It should be that much slow that even if pieces of paper are put below the nostril, they should not move. Means कागज के छोटे छोटे टुकड़े भी अगर आपके नाक के नीचे रख दिए जाएं तो उनमें भी किसी भी प्रकार की हलचल नहीं होनी चाहिए. आपकी सांसें इतनी स्लो इनहेलिंग एंड एक्सेलिंग होना चाहिए. कंटिन्यूसली डू. फील द साइलेंस इन योर सराउंडिंग. अपने आसपास के शांत वातावरण पर पूर्ण रूप से ध्यान लगाएंगे. You might hear some sounds from your surrounding. आपको आसपास से कोई छोटी मोटी आवाजें सुनाई दे सकती हैं, उन पर भी फोकस करेंगे. एंड just try to observe how the sound is coming from the outside world to your ears and it is processed by your brain. किस प्रकार विभिन्न प्रकार की आवाज़ें आपके आसपास आपके सराउंडिंग से आपके कानों तक पहुंच रही है. जैसा हमने सांस के लिए महसूस किया था, the same way we have to experience for the ears also. Just try to observe, feel conscious that how it is going inside your ear and the brain is processing that. Your mind is becoming completely calm. Deeply inhale and exhale. लंबी गहरी सांस लेंगे. Coming back to the normal breathing. Normal breathing में वापस आएंगे. Deeply inhale and exhale. Now we have to do भस्त्रिका while with the closed eyes only. भस्त्रिका का अर्थ होता है लंबी गहरी सांसें लेना एंड लंबी गहरी सांसें छोड़ना. Deeply inhaling and exhaling, that is your भस्त्रिका. But here we would be having the ratio. That means your inhalation should be shorter and the exhalation should be longer. जो आप सांस ले रहे हैं वह सांस आप कम समय में लेंगे एंड जो आप सांस बाहर छोड़ रहे हैं इट शुड बी लॉन्गर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू आर टेकिंग 5 सेकेंड फॉर इनहेलिंग, यू हैव टू गिव 10 सेकेंड फॉर एक्सेलिंग. अगर आप इनहेलेशन के लिए 5 सेकेंड ले रहे हैं, देन एक्सेलेशन के लिए आप 10 सेकेंड लेंगे. एंड इन बिटवीन इफ यू वांट टू होल्ड द ब्रीथ आफ्टर 4 to 5 टाइम्स, आप उसमें होल्डिंग भी इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं. यू कैन ऑल्सो इंक्लूड द होल्डिंग. यू कैन होल्ड फॉर four times. That means 5 fours are 20 seconds, and that would be the ratio. Inhaling 5 second, holding 20 second, exhaling in 10 second. Exhaling in 10 second might be a bit difficult initially to control the breath, but with time you would be comfortable. So सांस लेंगे 5 सेकंड में, सांस को रोके के 20 सेकंड, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Slowly exhale so that it is taking 10 seconds. आराम से छोड़ेंगे सांस को, जैसे 10 सेकंड तक आप सांस छोड़ते रहें. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Repeating it once again. Inhaling 5 seconds, holding 20 seconds, and then you have to exhale for 10 seconds. इससे क्या हो रहा है, आपका जो ब्रीदिंग पैटर्न है वो आप एक तरीके से चेंज कर रहे हैं, विच यू वर डूइंग सबकॉन्शियसली, जो कि आप बिना किसी भी फोकस के आप कर रहे थे पहले. नाउ यू आर फोकसिंग ऑन योर ब्रीथ, एंड जो भी आप सांस ले रहे हैं उस पर आप जब ध्यान लगा रहे हैं, सो effectively the like breath you are taking, it would be helping you to cure any kind of problem related with the breathing, whether it is asthma, bronchitis, या फिर सांसों से जुड़े जितनी भी समस्याएं हैं, इम्यूनिटी को इम्प्रूव करना है. फॉर इम्प्रूविंग द इम्यूनिटी, ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स वुड बी पॉसिबल विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्राणायाम, एंड currently we are doing the भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम. Just deeply inhalation and exhalation for next 2 minutes, and then we would be moving a little bit for Kapalbhati, and then at the ending we would be going for Yog Nidra, which would be relaxing for you completely. सिर्फ अपनी सांसों पर फोकस करेंगे. फोकस ऑन योर ब्रीथ. यू कैन ऑल्सो फोकस इन बिटवीन द आईब्रोज. दैट इज योर आज्ञा चक्र. अगर आप चक्र के थ्रू जाते हैं, दैट इज योर आज्ञा चक्र, जहां आप अपने ध्यान को लगा रहे हैं. एंड कई बार आपने देखा होगा, जब भी मेडिटेशन करते हैं तो कहा जाता है कि यू हैव टू फोकस इन बिटवीन द आईब्रोज. एंड now moving for the 5 minutes Kapalbhati, you have to give 100 strokes. 100 stroke means आपको 100 बार अपने पेट को अंदर एंड बाहर लगातार करना है, एंड स्लोली करना है, विदाउट एनी काइंड ऑफ रश, बिना किसी जल्दबाजी के. अपनी जगह पर आप बैठे हुए हैं, दोनों हाथ की ज्ञान मुद्रा बनी हुई है, चेहरे पर हल्की सी स्माइल, एंड कंटिन्यूसली यू हैव टू एक्सेल. लगातार आपको सांस बाहर छोड़ना है, एंड गिव स्ट्रोक टू द एब्डोमेन. We are doing Kapalbhati daily because belly fat is one of the common concern of everyone. Belly fat का concern बहुत लोगों को रहता है. Along with that, digestion, hormonal imbalances in female, for improving the blood circulation in liver, kidney, pancreas, intestine. पेट में जितने भी organ हैं उन सभी में blood circulation काफ़ी improve हो जाता है when you are doing Kapalbhati, and you have to do daily. That would be helping you in longer term. Try doing, everyone. Continuously exhaling and stretching the stomach inward. Count it in your mind that how many times you are doing the Kapalbhati. Basically, Kapalbhati is not a pranayam, but many people consider it nowadays in pranayam. But it is not a pranayam. It is a Shatkarma Kriya, which means inner cleaning of the body. Means आपकी body को completely inner clean करने के लिए Kapalbhati is one of the most effective thing. And जितनी भी प्रॉब्लम्स हमें डे टू डे लाइफ में आती हैं, मोस्ट ऑफ देम इफ इट इज रिलेटेड विद द हेल्थ, अगर वो हेल्थ से रिलेटेड है, इट ओरिजिनेट इन द एब्डोमिनल रीजन ओनली। आपके पेट के ही रीजन से आधे से अधिक प्रॉब्लम्स जनरेट होती हैं। सो इफ यू आर फोकसिंग ऑन योर कपाल भाती, इट वुड बी मेकिंग यू completely healthier as compared to earlier। एंड आप लगातार इसे एक हैबिट में बना सकते हैं कि आप जब भी उठेंगे एंड whenever you are doing, even if you are busy, then also at least 5 to 10 minutes आप निकाल सकते हैं। 8 to 10 rounds of सूर्य नमस्कार and 5 to 10 minutes of कपाल भाती and अनुलोम विलोम। if you are doing this much only, अगर आप सिर्फ 15 मिनट डेली इतना ही करते हैं बस, if you are not having too much time, then these two things which is Kapalbhati and Surya Namaskar 10 to 15 rounds, that would be more than enough for your overall fitness। and फिटनेस की चीज़ें हमें तब नहीं पता चलती जब हम फिट रहते हैं। when we become unfit, then we feel the difference that we are unable to do even the basic things like bending forward, bending backward, and all those basic things we get problem and cramps काफ़ी easily आने लगते हैं। so for that you need to include yoga in your habit, and overall it would be helping। just complete 100 strokes, and if you are done with 100, you can proceed further also। last 2 minutes of Kapal Bhati ki last 2 minutes, and then we have to proceed for the Yoga Nidra। last 1 minute of Kapalbhati, and it is also increasing your concentration level simultaneously। means आप सिर्फ एक चीज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं। जब आप खुद के साथ बैठ कर के 10 मिनट, 15 मिनट, 20 मिनट बिताते हैं, वो सभी के लिए ईजी नहीं होता है, क्योंकि without mobile, without using a smartphone, if you are sitting 30 minutes close with the closed eyes and you are focusing on your own breath, sometimes it might be boring for many of the people, and that's why meditation is easier as well as difficult। means easy होते हुए भी काफ़ी difficult है, क्योंकि nowadays we have tendency of not sitting alone, and हम अपने साथ ही समय नहीं बिता पाते, and throughout the day we run for different kinds of activities which are irrelevant for our body। हम काफ़ी सारी activities throughout the day करते रहते हैं, and the body, the mind which is doing these things, we don't give any time for that also। it is kind of कि you are running a vehicle, and but you are not giving time for making that clean, making that good or functionable। so that is the thing। our body is also working like a machine, and we have to work on that। जैसे एक गाड़ी in regular period of time it requires servicing, the same way our body is also requiring every day 10 to 15 minutes of that। now we have to go for the Yoga Nidra। Yoga Nidra means you can rub your make them warm, massage the face 3 times। you can massage the face, and by looking downwards slowly open the eyes। सो अभी तक हमने 3 बार ओम चैंटिंग, मंत्र चैंटिंग, एंड फ्रॉम देयर वी हैव गॉन इनटू ब्रीथ कंट्रोल, एंड देन हमने देखा भस्त्रिका विथ रेशियो, एंड उसके बाद हमने किया कपालभाति। राइट नाउ वी हैव टू डू द नेक्स्ट थिंग, एंड दैट इज योग निद्रा। जिनको भी इंसोम्निया की प्रॉब्लम होती है, लाइक द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ नॉट गेटिंग प्रॉपर स्लीप, that is one of the major problem. And the second problem is not like getting too much sleep, means काफी ज्यादा नींद आना, that is also a problem, because throughout the day you would be feeling lazy. So it is a problem, and we don't identify it as a problem, and somehow we just tackle ki yeah it is going somehow. So it is kind of ki when you are sleeping your body is completely getting energy, and it is kind of कि आप जैसे बॉडी को थ्रू आउट द डे आपने काम किया, एंड नाउ यू आर रेस्टिंग एंड मेकिंग इट comfortable. And if you are not sleeping properly, that means you are impacting your overall productivity also. If you are not sleeping for longer duration, जिनको sleeping का problem है, they can relate that how sleep depression uh, can cause you so many problems. So now we have to go to the योग निद्रा in 10 to 15 minutes only. सिर्फ 10 मिनट में ही आपको इतना ज़्यादा रिलैक्सेशन फील हो जाएगा, लाइक यू आर टेकिंग 2 to 3 hour ऑफ स्लीप, उतना इसमें फ़र्क पड़ सकता है. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, आपको पैर से लेकर के सिर तक आप शवासन पे लेटेंगे, एंड पैर से लेकर के सिर तक एक एक बॉडी पार्ट का नाम लिया जाएगा. आई वुड बी कॉलिंग आउट द नेम ऑफ द बॉडी पार्ट फ्रॉम द लेग टिल द हेड, एंड यू हैव टू जस्ट विद द क्लोज आइज ट्राई टू ऑब्जर्व दैट. आपको अपने मन की आंखों से जस्ट उस बॉडी पार्ट को देखना है. जैसे कि मैंने बोला, इफ आई से लेफ्ट नी, like then you have to just visualize the left knee and feel that it is getting completely relaxed and it is not having any kind of pain. उसमें किसी भी प्रकार का पेन नहीं है. whatever problem it was having, it is getting completely cured. So in that way you can focus on that, and yeah, lay down at your place. I am playing that audio and you have to just visualize that. आपको मन की आंखों से सिर्फ उसे सुनना है and just अपनी जगह पर लेटे रहेंगे.
Our body, and thereafter with the closed eyes we would be seeing the complete body from the bottom of the leg till the head. Each of the body part I would be calling out the name, and with the closed eyes you have to focus on my voice and you would be feeling those body parts and try to visualize with the closed eyes. And when you are visualizing, you have to feel that that body part is completely getting healed and you are completely getting energized. So starting it just lay down at your place, deeply inhale and exhale. Firstly relax your body, deeply inhaling and exhaling, making your body completely relaxed. When you are inhaling, your body is raising a little bit up. When you are exhaling, your body is going a little bit down. Completely relaxing your body. With each breath, you are getting the positivity in the form of fresh air, releasing all kind of tension outside of your body. Whatever body pain, whatever anxiety you are having, it is completely getting removed from your body with each breath you are exhaling. Deeply inhale and exhale. Your body is becoming completely relaxed. There is no kind of tension, no kind of anxiety. You are completely free. You are having a little bit of smile on your face. Now focusing on the body, starting with the right leg. From the toes of the right leg, first toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, joints of all 5 toes, bottom of the leg, ankle, ankle joint, right calf muscle, right knee, right thigh. Your right leg is completely relaxed. The same way you have to move in the left leg. Toe of the left leg, first toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Joints of all five toes, bottom of the leg, ankle, ankle joint, calf muscle, knee, left thigh. Your left leg is also completely relaxed. Your both legs are relaxed now. Now you have to move on your back, starting with the spine, lower spine, middle spine, upper spine, neck. Your spine is completely getting relaxed. It is not having any kind of stretch. Whatever stretch it was having earlier, it is completely getting relaxed. Your back is completely relaxed. Now you have to focus on the right side of the spine, right lower back, right middle back, right upper back, right shoulder. The same way left side, left lower back, left middle back, left upper back, left shoulder. Your back is completely relaxed from the bottom till the neck. It is completely relaxed. Now focusing on your neck. Your neck is completely relaxed. Moving to the hands, starting with the right hand, thumb of the right hand, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, joints of all five fingers, palm, wrist, forearm, elbow, biceps, triceps, right shoulder. The same way left hand, thumb of the left hand, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, joints of all five fingers, palm, wrist, forearm, elbow, biceps, triceps, shoulder. Your both hands are completely relaxed now. Now moving to the face, your forehead, both eyebrows, right eye, left eye, nose, lips, chin, cheeks. Your face is completely relaxed now. Focusing on the ears, right ear, left ear. Both ear are completely relaxed now. Focusing on the head, your head is completely relaxed. Your complete body from the bottom of the leg till the head is completely relaxed. It is not having any kind of stretch. Like a dead body, you are completely laying down on the floor without any kind of movement, completely still. Try to feel the breath when you are inhaling and exhaling. Thereafter, moving to the inner body organs, focus on your teeth, tongue. With the closed eyes, try to visualize your brain. It is completely getting healed. Whatever overthinking, whatever tension and anxiety it was having, it is now completely outside of your body. Your brain is completely free, like a bird. You are completely free and enjoying the moment. You are completely happy. Completely, you are feeling fresh. Now, focus on your abdomen. Focus on your lungs. When you are inhaling, how your lungs are moving up and down. When you are inhaling, your lungs are expanding. When you are exhaling, your lungs are contracting. With each breath, your abdomen is moving up and down. Try to feel that. And whatever organ are there inside the abdominal cavity, they are getting completely healed. Starting with the stomach, intestine, large and small intestine, your liver, kidney, pancreas. Just you have to see in the abdominal cavity. With the closed eyes, try to feel all of the body organs are getting completely relaxed and healed. Your complete body is relaxed now. Your body is still, you're not having any kind of movement, having a little bit of smile on your face. Now focus on your God, whoever you worship. Be thankful to the God for everything, whatever you are having. Be thankful to your parents, teachers, friends, family members, and your well wishers for everything, whatever you are having. Be thankful to everyone. Have a sense of satisfaction. Feel completely blessed to have such a wonderful life. It might be having many ups and downs, but you are enjoying and taking it as a challenge day by day. You are completely relaxed and happy. Now focus on your goal, whatever goal you are having. It might be related with the health, your career, studies, job, or either with your family. Whatever goal you are having, try to feel completely energized and motivated for that. Have complete faith on yourself. You would be achieving whatever goal you are aspiring for. Completely inhale and exhale. Your body is going into deep sleep. Try to feel like you are laying down on the seashore and your body is completely relaxing. You are laying down on the seashore. You are hearing the breezes of the sea that you have to imagine. Completely, your body and mind are relaxed. You are happy, completely happy, without any kind of tension, anxiety, or depression. Completely feel free. Now, with the closed eyes, try to just shake your left leg. The same way, shake a little bit your right leg. Shake your hand, right hand, thereafter left hand. Rotate your neck to the left, rotate your neck to the right. After that, taking the right side, completely rotate to your right side with the closed eyes and sit at your place. Now, you have to rub your both palm as much warm as you can. Completely rub your both palm, make them warm, place it over the eyes, over the face, over the forehead completely. Massage your face. Completely massage your face. Your face would be always glowing. You have to do it 2 to 3 times. Do it again. Slowly, by looking downward, you can open your eyes and you can relax thereafter. So you can feel.
Yeah. So that was a longer version of the Yog Nidra, which was around 12 to 13 minutes, and along with that Yog Nidra and affirmation it was, and we are uh, done with today's session. It was around 35 to 40 minutes, and hope you have enjoyed and felt completely relaxed. And if you are having any kind of doubt and or anything, you can ask or say, and that we can end this session here. You can text me over the WhatsApp also. Try to join daily, and that would be helping you for learning everything in the meditation and pranayama.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Welcome,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
welcome,
Thank you, sir.
welcome.